everyone, Annie from Calitec. We are original motor socket manufacturer from China. Last week, we did implement the horizontal vertical flame test to detect the burning state of the PC panels in that commission. Today, we are performing a wire test to evaluate the fire extinguishing time after 30 seconds burning at 850 degrees Celsius. Wait until the temperature reaches 850 degrees Celsius. The PC panel starts to approach the heated glow wire gradually and smokes once reaches it. In our daily life, there are many fires caused by the electrical short circuits. When the short circuit occurs, the current will increase instantaneously when passing through the socket. The temperature will rise accordingly, and the product may burn. If the flame can be automatically extinguished within 30 seconds after the power outage, a fire can be avoided. The panel catches fire immediately. When the glow wire leaves, the fire on the panel extinguishes automatically within 10 seconds. According to the experiment, the test result indicates that our PC panel is qualified for IEC 60695-2-12. Don't forget to follow our page. See you next time. Bye!